Hello everyone and welcome to the video. Today I got two packages came today. So yeah, in fiery because so I was work today. So yeah, and it was price it came today. So yeah, and so because I came in the package today because they don't know why. Like I ordered a bunch of stuff in mystery box, whatever mail stuff. So yeah. Yeah, so let's get to it, shall we? So unfortunately, because the day after nothing to in the mail. So sadly, because this is my giveaway for what we did this giveaway. So yeah. And because I'm working for 4 hours today because I feel tired. And so yeah. And so finally we made the package. So we got two patch trash smell, and so this is brand new one came out. It's from Bandcamp. So yeah. And then you guys go check out the Bandcamp and Instagrams. So it's really awesome stuff. So it's next we got these t-shirts. It's really cool logos. Awesome bands. Okay, we see it in the costume, the kitchener. It'll be nice to wear it. Oh wait. Who's sick? Thank you for these guys is working hard for came today and finally they so fast. Okay, this one is big box with no, it look interesting thing in the box. So it's really cool. So I don't know who this is from. I don't know. Let's see how much a little bit. So yeah. Anyways. This is so many fucking teeth. So anyways. And unfortunately because they had nothing in the mail. I think that's kind of sad. See, look at the damage in the box. You should be careful. This is why they never stop ordering. So yeah. Really, okay, we'll break it. So yeah. Stick of a not sharp Stupid name. Yeah. Now one thing. So, ooh, this is a head display the hand wipers. So finally, I don't know, who knows? Yes, it's really cool stuff. The Headsplit records. July. June to August 2025. It's really cool. It's really cool stuff. I'm really happy because this is why. Because they nobody cares in the mail and something else in delivery company delivery. It's really cool. It's like a Macy stuff and like that. It's really cool. That's funny. I love that. It's great. Yeah, they have the tapes and really cool items. It's pretty good job in the Macy. I love Macy. The Headsplit the records. I love Headsplit records so much, and it's really awesome stuff. Excuse me. And, get to those stuff in business and the Headsplit from stuff, the really cool stuff online. You know, like I love that. I love it here. So yeah, it's really cool. You see it, you guys, and this is the tape and stuff and tape CDs, of course. In the back too. It's what the same. No, it's what the same back. It's really cool stuff. Next items. I love that trash truck. Like it's really cool. It hits the spike. Like thank you so much and do. You killed it. You know. Really cool. And of course, well, I love that poster, dude. I love it. It's really cool. I love it. It's great. It's really cool. December 19th, it's $10. 8 p.m. all age. Damn, that's why I'm far away. Think I keep it these for flyers and band stuff. Ooh, it's really sick. It's really sick. So it's really awesome stuff. I love that so much. The Headsplit and records is really awesome. Company, amazing job. And thank you for Headsplit. I will post it social media stuff. Alright. Sorry guys, in the chair. It's me peeing in the outside. It's a really cool sticker. I love it. I don't know, because this one is broken. The band's logos and the upside down. Please give me comments below. You see it upside down or that. Thank you, Headsplit. Please, yeah. And next, ooh, it's really good. This is Headsplit for the company for a drink. I love that. It's not patch as well because he gave me one thing. It's really cool stuff. So that's awesome stuff. Next, we got something now. And we got huge box. We got the cassette tape. This is cassette tape and about trash mail of stuff. So like a demo or trash mail, whatever stuff like that. It's nice sticker, custom made. It's really cool stuff. It's awesome. This is a Mel Jeff album. Excuse me. Excuse me, sorry. So, yeah, because this is came out before, I'm really happy. I'm really happy. Peace. So next, we got first whatever his name, him presents. Okay, number. Sorry. This is why I've been it's really cool stuff. I like great tape. It's really cool cover. It's not much color because it's lifestyle cassette tape. It's really cool. It's really cool. The photos in the band. That's awesome. I'm really happy. So yeah, can't wait to hear. Listen to music. Next, number 2 cassettes. Next one is Squeaky. Table Squeaky. Next, we got First and Sales and Savvy. That's interesting. Nice fishy blue. I love that. It's pretty cool. Excuse me. It's really cool stuff, and then because I don't know who's the bands or the singers or vocals, whatever. It's just a soundtrack in here. This A, this B. Excuse me. It's really cool. Love that. I love it. Next one is we got these from Trash Mail. So if you want, go check out online the Trash Mail. So this is trying the more. Okay, speak English. So this is why, because I want these by this is the cassette tape. They I'm not sure it's so out yet. I don't know. So we keep an eye out. They are so out. Yeah. This is really cool white. Not custom. So this is nice 79 in 100 copies. Really cool. It's nice artwork. And it looks nice, good job. And the band's photos. I'm really happy so much. So I can't help it. Can't stop yawning. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 cassettes deep. Next one. Not these. Oh, three more stuff. Give me this. That's it. It was spices in the box, in that box, so many boxes or whatever. So this is very nice. Cassette tape. About that guys have keep stopping on it. So this is very nice. It's really nice sharp white and bomb. Excuse me. And, so yeah, it's really cool. And it's really cool, the bands and logos, and sometimes this guy's an amazing job. So yeah, I'm really happy. I'm really glad. The special, it's very special, very important. So we got 4 CDs. I'm really happy right now. So let's see how we get this. Oh, is that? Give me, sorry. Sorry guys, I feel tired today. This is my can't help sleep. Okay. This is I don't they have the dead mail or trust mail or something. So you guys should know. You don't know in the CDs in the cassette tape. They know. So it's so big sorry. This is really cool. It's so awesome. That's very awesome stuff. Let's see. Well, spices kick a while these days. Unfortunately, they have three-person photos in the band. hopefully with some music rest of the day, rest of the night. Hopefully will be nice. Oops, you're cocky. Should be careful. That bomb top. That's cool. That's awesome. Thank you. Next, so let me drop it. Sticker. Yeah, that's really cool. Small sticker. That's awesome. Alright, next we got. I'm not sure you these, but I'll put a cover you guys. This one is in the band. I don't know what's in the vocals in the band. So yeah. Let's see. It's really cool. That's really awesome. See real quick here. This title. You see it because it's really awesome stuff. The bands and the companies and stuff, and the CD. This is the Boo Death Metal. Or the Death Metal or Boo Metal, so stuff like that. And have a Bear Plus. So yeah. Next, we got these. So bit. And I'm not keep it. It's a plastic. So yeah, that's really cool. This is the big cap. That why. This is I don't know. It's really cool CDs. That's awesome. You see it. It's nice artwork. It's very nice. DVD here. Right here. No one can lose them. This is the last one. So, so this is why it's the same. And this is the same the cassette tape I bought. And this is what I'm looking for. No, hopefully soon. And CDs and cassettes or file, whatever. Stuff like that. So, yeah. Definitely. Also cool. This is really cool. So yeah, this is the same cassette tape, you guys. Looks like I will show you. This is same. So this is CDs, this is cassette tape. So because I want to buy because it's two both they have one, and I bought 3 packs. Those things. And this one wanted, and this one, and then I don't know why because then four CDs they give me. Yes, very nice. That's cool. It's very nice. Photos, the bands and the guys were awesome. I'm really glad. I'm really happy right now because it's fine. I'm really glad there's no damage in the CDs and cassettes. To really. So yeah, really happy. So yeah, really happy this stuff. Yeah, so yeah, I'm really glad finally. I was saying thank you for and now the band, whatever its name. So the patch, guys. And thank you for these and the band cap. And go check out the band cap. And don't forget for Instagrams. Go check us out. It's really cool. And go check out the Headsplit, the records. Saying Headsplit. Saying thank you for watching. Thank you for so much. And great surprise and great gifts. I love poster, I love that, I love Macy and the CDs, and thank you. I love stickers so much. It's really cool. And go check out the Instagrams. It's really cool stuff. And go check out the online headsplitrecords.com and go check it out. Hopefully, it's an awesome job. So yeah, and that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. So yeah, and if you liking the video, please just give me a like, thumbs up. Appreciate it, and giving comments below. Thanks. Giving comments below, and really dig this video so far. So yeah. And then don't forget to follow me on social media, Twitter, Instagram, all stuff. And then please don't forget to subscribe. You don't miss my kiss bell because you don't miss video. Go watch it. And so yeah, it's really cool. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay well, stay beautiful.